Hey everyone, Steph here from Social Media Bomb. I hope you're all having a superb week. Today I'm going to give you some pivotal info on how to keep your mind on track and not on the roller coaster of building your business and growing your best life. And what I mean by the roller coaster is when you, as your good old self, gets to work, starts something new, finds a better way, you become excited, motivated, and you feel compelled to make change in your life. But then something happens. You find excuses for not taking action. You under or over prioritize, and you simply feel deflated and not aligned. And you consequently choose to take a break. And you wonder if you'll ever be the person capable of creating the success you desire. So then something happens and you get real with yourself again and you start the process all over again. You find some motivation. You look at the positives and you know that you do have the capacity and the ability. And so hence the roller coaster effect. And then something happens. So this occurs because there's something missing, and it's that your vision isn't strong enough. So for you to take the steps every day that you need to create your dream life, you need to know exactly what your dream life is and what it looks like. You need to visualize and feel it coming to life in moments every day. So let me ask you something. When you think about living your very best life, how does that make you feel and what does that look like for you? If you don't know the answer to this, let me help you. Because training your brain to start working for you is the way you need to approach staying consistent as the person who is capable of building your business. Now, what I know from experience is that many of us can take action and we can stay on that roller coaster, but this isn't helpful because it's not creating stability and growth. So the question is how do we find enough stability to keep on doing the very things we need to do to become that person you need to be to create your best life? Well, I've learned some tips and some tricks from some of the best in the industry, and it's not complicated and you can start today. And the first thing is craft a morning routine. So you can call it a morning session, a morning ritual, whatever you like to call it. It just needs to put your brain to work on your dream life. Now, we have been using what our mentors call a vision map, and the idea behind this is to help you think, feel, and believe in your own success because it's there right in front of you. So you write from your future self's perspective, who you have become, the challenges you've won, the experiences you've had, the people that surround you, the car you drive, everything. It should describe in detail your exact future life. Right down to the smells, the feelings, your thoughts, and dig deep. This will help you become aligned with the person that you need to be, that you visualize, and the thoughts you need to have daily to start to take those action steps. Now, if this is totally not your style, then perhaps affirmations is more your style, or you have a journaling exercise or writing routine, or maybe you meditate and you do a 15-minute meditation visualization on your dream life. Whatever you choose it to be, it needs to elevate you to the point where you're feeling that success is coming to life now, and you're being pulled out of your old self and into your desired self right there in the moment. So, and remember that these exercises aren't designed to teach you to live from a future destination. You must become the person today and have gratitude for your path. In fact, your gratitude for your present life will coincide with your growth, so mesh them together with your desired goals. So if you have 3 children, an amazing family, a day job, be grateful for that and know and visualize that one day you'll have 3 kids, an amazing job, an amazing family, financial abundance, and a holiday home. It's a bit like wanting more of what you already have. Okay, so the other tip I have for you is to be inoculated. Be inoculated in your own growth, because you're the only person who can create the business you desire. When you really learn to manage your mind, change starts to happen. So meditation in the evenings, working on your beliefs, reading to be a better parent, learning patience, learning how to conduct sales calls, it's all a part of being the better version of you and creating your best life. So remember, nothing goes to wasted when it comes to personal development and success, So soak it up. If you already have a daily routine or a vision map, wonderful. Please comment and share below. But if you don't, your action step for this video is to find a daily ritual that keeps you on top of creating those desired goals that pulls you into the new you now. We are all born deserving, and you deserve it. So get to work, post a comment, and share with others what you do to keep your mind focused and taking action. And if you need some extra help on working on your mind to take action and your business, then click on the link below. I would love to guide you. Thanks for watching my video. I will see you next week.